Having learned some of the grammar concepts, now shall we learn some of the names of the vegetables, les légumes. By learning these, you can develop your vocabulary. So here I have written down the names of 7 vegetables in French. So would you like to know how to pronounce them and what they mean? The first one is la pomme de terre. La pomme de terre. It means potato. La pomme de terre. The next one is la carotte. It means carrot. The next vegetable is la concombre. La concombre. It is the cucumber. La concombre. Next one is le chou. Le chou. It is pronounced chou. It means cabbage. Cabbage. Le chou. The next one is le chou-fleur. Le chou-fleur. It means cauliflower. The cauliflower. Le chou-fleur. And here it is l'oignon. L'oignon. It means onion. And finally la tomate. It is tomato. So these are just 7 words, 7 vegetables. So shall we say it once again? La pomme de terre. La pomme de terre. It is the potato. La carotte. Carrot. La concombre. It is cucumber. Le chou. It is cabbage. Le chou-fleur. Chou-fleur. It is cauliflower. L'oignon. L'oignon. It is onion. La tomate. La tomate. It is the tomato. So these are just 7 vegetables. I hope you have taken a note of their names. These are the commonly used vegetables. To learn the names of other vegetables, you can use a dictionary to learn the names of other vegetables.